Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss how to simplify a Boolean expression. Okay, to make you understand, I have taken a one example and I want to simplify this Boolean expression. Okay, so we will solve it. See, the thing is that you can simplify in another way, I will simplify in some way, but the final answer should be same. Okay, so what is the Boolean expression they have given? A or B, then A complement, B complement or C complement, a whole complement is there, or A complement and B complement, A complement and C complement. So now first what I will do, I will apply the De Morgan's law for this one. If I apply De Morgan's law for this one, I will get A or B. Okay, then if I apply De Morgan's law for this one, A's complement whole complement will become A, this is AND will become R, and this will become B complement whole complement will become B, R will become N, C whole complement will become C. So this equation is shifted to A, R, B and C. Okay, and remaining thing we will keep like that: A complement, B complement, A complement and C complement. Okay, so now this equation, how I can write it? I will perform the x plus y and x plus z multiplication. I will do, I will apply the AND. So A and A will be A only. Will you accept with me or not? We have already discussed this point. And then this will become A, B, C, okay, and this will become AB or BA, then this will become BC. Okay, is it clear? What I have done, I have A plus B, okay, and suppose similarly let's take that some A plus C is there. What I have done, A into A I have done. So usually in mathematics we will get A square, but here A into A we will get A, and then A into C I will get AC, B into A I will get BA, B into C I will get BC. Is it clear? So that is what I have done here. I hope you are understanding it. Now I have A's complement, B's complement, A's complement and C's complement. Now if I do, what I can do, how I can simplify it? If I take A common from this one, here I have A or ABC. If I take A common, then this equation will be 1 plus or BC plus AB plus BC, A complement, B complement or A complement, C complement. Is it clear? So 1 or BC will be what? 1 only. Am I right or wrong? So this will be completely will be A. Then A, AB, BC, A complement, B complement, A complement, C complement. If I take A common from this one, then again it will be A, 1 or B, which will be equal to 1. So A and 1 is equal to A. So with this one I will simply write it as A or BC plus A complement, B complement, A complement, C complement. Are you able to follow it or not? Okay, now what I will do is that I will take A or A complement, B complement. This one what I can do, I can write it as A or A complement and A or B's complement. Can I write like this? Am I right or wrong? We already discussed this one. Okay, so A or A complement will become 1 So 1 and A or B complement will be equal to A or B complement. Okay. I hope you have understood how I simplified this one with this one. Is it clear? So I got A or B complement. Then I have B, C and A complement and C complement. I hope you are following it. Now what I will do is that I will again take this A complement, C complement. This equation can be further simplified as A or A complement, okay, is it clear, plus A or C complement. Can I write like this or not? Not or, this will be and. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? What I have done, A or A complement and A or C complement. Now again A or A complement value will be 1. Okay. 1 and A or C complement will be equal to A or C complement. Will you agree with me or not? So this equation can be further simplified as A or C complement, then we have B complement, then we have BC. Is it clear? So these two I have taken and I have reduced as A or C complement. Then I have B complement or BC I have. Are you able to follow it or not? Now again what I will do, again I will take this two, B complement or BC I will take. This can be written as B complement or B and B complement or C. Will you agree with me or not? So what I can do is this B complement or B will be equal to 1. Okay. Then this can be further reduced as B complement or C. So these two I can simplify it as A or C complement or B complement or C. Will you agree with me? Now if you see this, we have C complement or C is there. If I take these two, C complement or C is there. C complement or C, we have discussed that it will be equal to 1. If you have doubt also, you can verify with the truth table. What is the C value you can take? You can take either 0 or 1. What is the C's complement will be? When it is 0, it will be 1. When it is 1, it will be 0. Now you apply the OR between them. What is the OR? If any of the input is 1, the output will be 1. So we got 1, 1. So I can write it as 1. Is it clear? I hope you are following with me. So now I can write it as C complement or C can be written as A or B complement or 1. Now if you see this, anything with R1 is equal to 1. If you take this 1, or B complement will be written as 1. If you have a doubt, you can verify. Suppose let's take that B complement, B you take. B if you take, it will be 0 or 1. What is the B's complement will be? When it is 0, it will be 1. When it is 1, it will be 0. Will you agree with me or not? Now what they are saying? Apply with 1 or. Okay. 1 means all the inputs will be 1. You take the B complement or 1. 1 or 1 is equal to 1. 0 or 1 is equal to 1. So I can write this one as 1. A or 1 is equal to 1. So this equation has simplified it to 1. I hope you are understood how I solve this expression. If you still have any doubts, see, you can use some other procedure. I used some way and I got the final answer. But whatever the way you do it, you should get the same answer. Okay? If you still have any doubts, anywhere you have done the mistake, then you can recheck it. Is it clear? I hope you have understood what are the concept I have discussed in this video. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.